Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying it with a non-contact tester. This prevents shocks. Once done, remove the cover plate and loosen the old switch screws to expose hot and load conductors. Make sure to note which wire is hot, usually black, and which goes to the fixture. If grounds are bare, keep them separated. Prepare your new single-pole switch by loosening its terminal screws so you can insert wires cleanly. You now connect the line hot to the switch common terminal and the load conductor to the opposite terminal. This completes the switching path. Use a clockwise wrap around the terminal screw for a secure connection, then tighten firmly. Once both conductors are attached, reattach the green or bare ground to the switch ground screw. If the box is metal, bond with a pigtail. Make sure no bare conductor is exposed past the terminal. Once confirmed, gently fold wires back into the box. After securing the switch and restoring power, you should test the switch immediately by toggling it and observing the fixture. If the light works, turn power off again to tighten screws and finalize the install, then replace the cover plate. If the fixture flickers or does not energize, make sure the line and load weren't swapped and that all screws are tight. Also confirm the breaker and fixture bulb are good. One troubleshooting tip: if unsure, shut power and re-verify wire identity with a tester.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.